Welcome to this installation video for Peak MountainView 12mm glass railing with stainless steel. In this video, you will learn how to successfully install your MountainView glass railing to enjoy an unobstructed view. Let's look at the tools and safety equipment needed to successfully install your MountainView glass railing. We recommend using 2 people when handling glass panels. A successful installation is attained by planning and laying out the components before you begin. Ensure the center line of the railing will be 4 inches from the edge of your deck. Now let's get started. Use a string or chalk line to mark the center line of the glass rail. Then measure and mark the position of all the components in your installation, ensuring they are aligned. Make sure to set a spigot at the quarter points of each glass panel. 2 spigots are required for each glass panel. When installing on a wooden deck, use the included 6-inch self-drilling wood screws. Attach the spigot or post by drilling through all 4 corners of the base and leveling plate. Do not tighten fully yet. Install the first glass panel into the first 2 spigots. Then secure the glass by tightening the 2 screws on each spigot. Then repeat these steps for the remaining glass panel sections. Glass panels must be between 1/2 inch and 2 inches apart. Adjust the 4 leveling screws until all panels are aligned and level. Then secure the spigots and posts to the deck surface. Determine the length of the top rail by positioning end brackets on a wall or post and measure the distance between end brackets. For top rails longer than 8 feet, insert a mid bracket to extend the rail. When cutting top rails to fit your project, we recommend removing the gasket first. Use a chop saw or hacksaw with a stainless steel cutting blade to cut the rail. Attach an end bracket to the top rail and drill a hole through the first layer of the top rail and fasten together using a panhead screw. Then trim the gasket so it will not cover the screw and replace it inside the top rail. Lubricate the top edge of the glass panels with dish soap and then place the top rail onto the top of the glass panels and push the railing down until fully seated. To connect the end bracket to a wall or wooden post, mark the positions for holes to be drilled using the end bracket as a template. Then remove the top rail and bracket, as well as the nearest glass panel. Drill 5/32 pilot holes 2 inches deep and reinstall the glass panel into spigots, followed by the top rail and brackets. Then secure to the wall or wooden post. To attach the end bracket to a MountainView post, remove the top 2 hole covers. Align the exposed holes on the post with the end bracket and fasten them together using flathead screws. Finally, tighten all fasteners and install post base and spigot covers. And there you have it. You have successfully installed your Peak MountainView glass railing.